Hello again. Hey, this is Dave Hansen with RSPN with another tech tip for you. At one point I talked about using OneDrive to back up your important documents, and that's a great feature. However, it creates some challenges, particularly if you have habits like I do, where in the past I would go in, I would open a previous document that I had designed, make changes to it, and save it as a new document name. The problem with that is that doesn't work so well anymore. So let me just show you a couple of things about that. I'll open up Microsoft Word. Let me just grab a sample document here, and this is sample 5. Now what we would do in the past is I would go in here, modify this document, change it, and then I'd go up here to File and hit Save As. Well, you don't have Save As as an option anymore. So the process needs to change a little bit. What you would do is open up that previous document, and before you made any changes to it, you'd go up here and hit Save a Copy, and let's say I'm going to save this as sample number 15 and save it. And now I can come in here, change whatever I want, save, and it'll continue to save. You'll notice up here in the upper left hand corner, autosave is on, so you can disable that feature. However, I think it's pretty handy because it keeps backing stuff up. I don't know if you've ever been deep into a document that you're working on and you lost power or something and you lost all your work and had to go back and start over. So it prevents that problem. But the problem it creates is if I were to go in here, let me just close this file out or open up a different one. Let's open up sample number 8. Okay, now if I came in here and I made changes and updates to this particular document, and now I wanted to go and save it as something new, oops, these have already been saved, and so I can't do that. There's no way to save as. But what you can do, if you look up here, there's a little drop down, it says sample 8, it's saving that document. If I want to, I can go back in here and I can hit version history. So if I click on that, I can see all the times that I've worked on this document, and I can go back to an older one and open it up and hit restore, and now that was the original document, so that may not be the one I want. So let's go back and look at this. Let's look at this one here. There we go, that looks right. So let's go ahead and restore that as it was back to the original document. So I hope that was helpful. Just keep in mind the process is to open an old document if you're going to use that, and to modify it and make a new document, first thing you do is File, Save a Copy. But if you forget to do that and you get quite a ways into editing the document and you want to still be able to go back and get your old document, go up into the drop down here and click on version history and find one that's the version that you want. That's your tech tip today. I hope it's helpful. Thanks again.